Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable your ad block in Bing AI app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing AI app and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing AI apps on the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap over there, and now you can see the settings options, where you need to select that option, and now you'll be redirected to another section where you need to select the privacy option. So now you can see the block ads option, which is at the fourth. So simply select that one, and now you can see my block ads is disabled right now. So let me enable it first, and yeah, this is how you can enable your ad block in Bing AI app. And you can also see the advanced setting as well. So yeah, this is how you can enable ad block in Bing AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.